Hi guys, here is a little procedure that I would like to try on my Passat Volkswagen to fix the parking brake fault that leads on the dash. I will show you. Uh, so if I push the key into the second position, I will have this yellow parking brake warning here. The parking itself mechanically works fine, and there were few mechanics who tried to fix it, but they didn't find any fault. So I assume that this is a software problem. So I was looking through the internet and found that a basic procedure when you reset the braking system. So to fix this, you're gonna need to switch off the battery for 10 minutes, and then by pressing brakes wait a little while, and then press the braking button and see if it resets. So this is what I want to try. If it doesn't work, then I've actually bought a new parking brake button to replace and see, just to try the same procedure with the new button and see what is going to be the result. So let's go. First of all, the Passat, it doesn't matter which one really. If you have just the same system, then it's gonna work on any Volkswagen. My is Volkswagen CC 2010. This is a four-wheel version, so all you have to know here is that the battery located at the back. So I'm gonna need to open the back and just unplug it for 10 minutes. So let's go.